And I just want to say welcome, you guys, to this special time together with our brand new CEO, who is so generous and kind to give us some of his time and his very busy schedule as he goes around and is doing his best to introduce himself to all the different countries that Arbonne is in today. And currently he is in Poland, and it's really, really late there. And I'm sure you can add jet lag on top of that. And he still agreed to be able to do this time with us and just meet some of the leaders, because that's his goal. And I'm just grateful to all of you for such short notice to be able to hop on and meet our new CEO and just welcome him. And I know if everybody was unmuted, they would tell you how excited they are to have you here, like I shared with you the other day. But I really want them to hear from you and share what you see and just tell them your vision so that we can partner with you in that. Because that's what I will tell you this group of leaders will do, is they're hard workers, and they will take your vision, add to it, and partner with you and work as hard as they can on their end while you guys are working and doing your part on your end to make what we all see together happen and come true. So I'm going to hush and I'm going to turn it over to you, and just again, thank you.
No, thank you, Carlita. Thanks a lot for your invitation, for giving me this opportunity to, let's say, meet, talk to your team and to you. We had a good conversation this week together. I think that, first of all, I hope everything is fine for you. I wish you a great event. I'm pretty sure it will be great. So sorry if I look a little bit horrible, tired, and sorry for the jet lag, but I'm here for you. Like you said, I am in Poland right now. We have just finished a Discover Arbonne session in Warsaw, very interesting, with 300 people. And I'm telling you that because once again, I'm totally amazed by Arbonne people and culture. You know, each time I am on the field, and I love that, with your teammates. I always the same impression. You, the field, are from far the very first assets of the point where, and I talked to you a little bit about that with Rocher. Last week in Irvine, we had this comment together, and we are very impressed. With a few weeks on board now, I can say that Groupe Rocher, our new permanent home, let's say, is very lucky to have found Arbonne. I want to be very transparent on that, because day after day, we discover, like tonight, I was here in Bar, so incredible leaders, passionate, very professional. I mean, you work so hard. Honestly, I admire your work. It's true that I told you, Carlita, this week that probably you do the most passionate part, but also sometimes the most difficult part of the job. And I am, and we are very grateful for your commitment for that, because I think it's something that we have to measure and to recognize day after. Carlita, so that could be a good idea with you some insight about the business, Groupe Rocher vision. So I'm very pleased with you today for your retreat. Well, not exactly with you, but I'm sending you my most positive and powerful energy. Like I said, I was with Brice Rocher, our CEO, last week for a board meeting in Irvine. And as you know, there were many reasons for him to enter in this new partnership. He explained it during the GTC. I don't know if you remember, but of course we share the same values, the same vision for our planet, for example. Well, to repeat or to get this expression, the perfect fit. But I think that together, Brice and I, last week, we were working also on what now Groupe Rocher can do for Arbonne. And I think it's very important, because Brice explained the reason for this new partnership, but also what Groupe Rocher can do now for Arbonne. So I think that many things are behind that. Because of its size, you know, Groupe Rocher, it's a huge company. It's a more than 3 billion company. Because of its size and its volume, I think that Groupe Rocher can help Arbonne now in many areas. Product development, production, logistics, and well, we have already started to look for synergies that will generate really added value for Arbonne. Is this what we are looking for? And Brice Rocher is really, I can tell you, really determined to invest in this company and to make it much, much bigger. I mean, this new partnership was not to keep it like it is. And it's a good sign because it gives us a lot of energy and a lot of, let's say, good feeling and good confidence also in the business to invest in the future. And what I would like to say to you today is that for that, we have to work together. As I said, you are amazing, but I need you today to reach together our goals. On my side, I promise to work very hard for you, to listen to your feedbacks, to build together our future. I think it's time for a real partnership, and this is what I'm looking for, really. So I travel a lot. I try to attend a meeting, different kind of meetings to understand the business, to understand you, to have your feedbacks. Could be a Discover Arbonne, could be a car presentation, could be some retreats. Of course, the national conference, the international conference. So really, I will spend a lot of time with you. So you will see me. Sorry about that. But I think it's my way also to recognize your efforts and the way we want to work together. So this is my part. On your side, my main message today will be again and again sponsorship. I think for 15 years in this industry, I don't know other recipe for growth. So try again, try different, but at the end of the day, sponsorship has been and will remain the key and of your success. So I think that in the coming weeks and months, once again, it's about that. The focus should be this one. So of course, talking about the vision, we have a rational goal, and this goal is not new. It's to be a 1 billion company, of course, and we can do that. I believe in this figure, but for me, it's only a figure. I will be very transparent with you. I think our mission, our objective is much bigger than that. Sponsorship, of course, what I just talked about is about growth and revenue, which is great and what we are looking for. But I think that sponsoring, for me, is more than that. You have received this gift one day, the Arbonne gift. Many of you tell me that when I discuss with you, and I realized that the deep reason to believe of this company, the deep why of this company, of this community, is the community. You have an amazing sense of solidarity, and this fantastic community of people who help each other, who give confidence to each other, who take care of each other. I think this is our real objective: give back this gift to more people. So in the coming months and weeks, we have many challenges to tackle. I mean, I don't know if you attend some Facebook Live we did regarding our next priorities. It's about the brand attractiveness. It's about the simplicity in the business. It's about building confidence with you. So we have many things on the plate, which is great because like you, I love to work hard, and this is my way to doing things, and you can count on me for that. You can count on me to be there for you, to be your support, and to move forward on the challenges you face today. I have quite a good vision on that now because I speak with a lot of people, and I think I have the feedback, and it was very important because for me, it's not only about learning the way you do the thing and so on, because I know a little bit also network marketing, but it's what is very important for me talking with you is to understand the culture, the legacy, the heritage, the brand, you know, what is your mindset, and this is the most important thing for me. So once again, you will see me in the coming months, which is great. I hope we will have the opportunity to meet together. I will travel a lot. I will be for sure in the conference. in Jamaica, in Maui, in GTC for sure. But I will be also to some events with you on the field to live with you a little bit the day-to-day and your day-to-day life. So once again, Carlita, thank you so much for this opportunity to share with you. I know you have outstanding results. You can be, and I'm sure you are very proud of you and your team. And well, thank you so much for that. I don't know if you have any question or insight that you want to share, but I'm here for you once again.
I just want to say thank you again. And I'm just excited for everyone to get to hear you because, you know, word of mouth is good, but whenever they can hear it from your own mouth that, you know, what you see, what you believe, what you are challenging us to do, it just means more and it gets into the hearts more of everybody. So I know it's not easy trying to get yourself out there to everybody in the field, but it makes a big difference. And I just thought this was an easy way to connect you as personally as we can and help you out in that. And just because I know this group of leaders, you know, works hard, but they will continue to work hard and partner with you, especially whenever they see your heart in it too, and what you see for us. And we are so excited about that part and grateful, like I said the other day, for every, you know, CEO prior to you, but so excited and more excited about you than we've ever been about anybody in the history of our leadership and for our company. And so I think you've done a great job. Just saying what you see about us. And I know what you're saying is you appreciate about us. I think it's also what you would say is different about Arbonne as a company and why you see such a big vision of what we can do, knowing what you know about Groupe Rocher and now seeing what you know and see in this field in the little bit of time that you've gotten to be in the field and get to know some of the leaders. I think probably just reiterating, you know, what we have to do. And you guys, I'm as a leader, I want my leader as a CEO to hear me charge each and every one of you so he knows this is how we're going to lead. And I know you all will agree, but I want us all to be out there and be brand new consultants with a brand new big why, a bigger vision than you've ever had whenever you started this business, and a bigger passion than you've ever had in your business, and get uncomfortable again working your personal and sponsoring people into this gift that we have and the gift of this community. And I'm telling you, every one of us are guilty, John David, about getting comfortable. I mean, it's a risk in this business because we are so blessed. As hard as we work, we're so blessed and we're so gifted back in return. And it's so the challenge is not to get comfortable. And the other challenge is not to get down and you know, discouraged whenever people quit or don't stick with this journey long term. And that's my challenge to everybody, is that we all need to step up our game, and we all need to work personally like we did, and like we're a team of one again, and build from the ground up. Because when we do that, and I believe, and this is my message I'm telling everyone, that if we work now like that, we're going to see another massive boom. There's companies, you know, we've always had great growth and success in Arbonne, but there's the ebbs and flows. But I believe with all my heart right now, more than ever, and I want you and my leaders to hear it, that this is a time we want to have running shoes on. We want to be sprinting again, because those of us who sprint right now are going to see massive growth in your businesses because of what this company is getting ready to do with the synergistic power that we have just been given with the acquisition of a new parent company. And that's what I believe as a leader, and my vision for everybody, and my challenge for each and every one of us. And to forget your past. I don't care if it's a good past or a bad past. However you judge your past, forget it, because it's not going to matter. And the only thing that's going to make a difference is what you do today with this business and from this day forward. And I know this group of people, I know what they're capable of, and I want to be a team. Mark my words, John David. I want to be a team that you will notice everywhere you go, because this team is rocking it out in every area of my organization. So that's what I want you to know. I want my leaders to know they are being challenged in that way, and so they can carry that challenge forward from me and from you and lead their teams in it with us. So Anybody
Well,
else?
thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Carita. Just to confirm that you have a partner. You have a partner in California. I'm here for you. I will work hard for you. And don't. And you start to know that, Carita. Just ask me about that. Question me. Challenge me. I will advocate the field because I truly think that you are the one on the field that are doing every day that this company is a success. So thank you so much for that once again.
You're so welcome. Does anybody else have anything you want to add or share, you guys? I know we're all grateful for his time and his presence and his work, but any questions or things that you have that you want to talk to him about, because he's here for you. And if not, then I will let you go so you can try.
Okay, thank you so much. We will have many other opportunities to meet and to share and to have fun.
Yes, yes.
And
we are
patience.
having fun here. I know. We're in Lake Tahoe. It's beautiful here, and we are so excited about just the opportunity to share with everybody that is coming out here, and especially now with this, you're a gift at the right time, at the right place. And I mean, these are some of my leaders here, that my national vice presidents that are sitting around and all watching you and getting to meet you. So again, thank you all.
Thank you so much. I wish you the best for this event, a lot of fun and a lot of patience.
Okay,
thank you.
Bye-bye.